Okay, the plan is to change the sunroof in my ZJ. We went to Midway U-Pole in Liberty, Missouri today, and it was wheelbarrow day, and that means you put some things in the wheelbarrow and whatever you can fit in there within certain parameters you get for $100. So I got me a sunroof. So I took that one down all by myself. So proud. And let's see. So mine's been glued shut, and there's a bug on me. But it doesn't work, and it's also wired shut for some reason. I might actually send this video to the fella that I bought it from and tell him to explain what that is, if he knows. Anywho, so there's like, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 10 volts. I don't know. It's a 12 millimeter. This is gonna have to come off, and this will have to come off. Okay, so when I removed this one from the junkyard, which I've cleaned the glass so it looks pretty now, but when I took it down, I just cut the hoses off. Those are the hoses that were attached to this one. But they were really difficult to get off. So these are probably the original 90. I think it was a 90. I don't know what it was actually. But anyway, these are the OGs, and they were on there. There's let's see, can't see it. Oh yeah, my finger's on it. That tube right there is one of the tubes. These other ones are easier to see. There's one there. This one looks a little rusty. Talking about the hoses that I cut, I'm talking about these hoses right here. I think they're just your drainage hoses. And these ones look like they're probably going to be a nightmare to take off as well. So I'm going to have to unhook all these before I take my sunroof down. And so you basically use a 12 millimeter on these. There's 1 on each side, 4 here on the back. 1, 2, 4 down there. And then there's 2 up front. Now you can take down that little dome light there if you want. You don't have to, because it's not like bolted onto it, but it does touch it. So you might want to take that one down too. So, all right, now it's time to start taking it out.
All right. Drain hoses for sunroof extraction. She's already got these off. These clips that Jeep uses are a bugger. Just pry on them and slide them down
Without damaging
the
hoses.
But yeah, she's just beast moding it off of there. This can't be. Oop, can't be skirt. Anyway, that's what we're doing. This one already out. The ones we got loose I've blown through, and they're completely free. So I'll show you what we're doing this, unless she already has. But for some odd reason, and headliner's out. Been out a video. Anyway, for some odd reason, somebody siliconed this little sweetheart shut. All the way. Did a nice job. Look at him. Look at that. Look how good. Anyway, so now, don't know why they did that. It did leak with the headliner, but after she pulled the headliner, I don't think we've seen a drop of water in it. And then when she pulled this guy, I believe the switch wasn't plugged in. And then when she plugged the switch in, the sunroof was operational just fine. But it's all silicone, so that's why we yanked one of the junkyard and tested it. And it works. She get it? No. Doing more than 65 on 85 off in my Cadillac. So, like I said, you really got to powerhouse it.
Ow!
Do that. My wife hurts when I'm burnt. Isn't that what it was?
Yeah.
You're so stupid.
Now it's got a whole, I am. Now it's got a whole big thing through there.
Oh yeah, so.
Yeah, but not.
Pliers still ain't doing it. Richard pliers.
Richard Blowbackins.
Richard Blowbackins. That's my alter ego, folks. Richard Blowbackins. You do the math. Oh.
Really?
See, even pretty girls hurt
replay of me
themselves.
stabbing myself.
Got him. She's showing bones. I think it should be off. Gotcha.
Through my window.
Oh! Back to the parts yard. Alright. Do what old Blowbackins would do. And yank her off. And just blow it back.
Don't hurt my hose. Oh, see? This is why.
Richard Blowbackins. Tell your friend. Uh-oh. Well, it was going real good until you cursed it. Blasphemed me. Is that the right word?
Who did?
Who that say they gonna beat them Chiefs? What you like about that, Saints? Oh, Billy. Free falling.
Did you get that thing off?
There she is. Back straight. No. Oh, Billy.
Oh, these the ones that.
Oh, yeah. Get that rivet. Just get that rivet.
Anyway, you get the point.
Get some
Okay, here's, it's, I don't, it might have been open a little bit. We're gonna find out though.
Is it still happy?
Yeah.
Get in there and try it.
I'm the one to have to.
Oh, what's this?
For the light, dome light.
Oh, okay. Nothing at all?
Nothing.
No way.
No. Huh. Oh.
No way. Something else.
Oh.
Sealed.
Sealed?
Yeah.
Nice. No, I just didn't turn the thing on like an idiot. Oh. Hi.
What's up? What's up?
Sweet.
What's up with the bankhead bounce, shawty?
Okay. Copyright infringement.
Uh-oh. Twice.
There we go. Yay.
Nice work, baby.
Thanks, babe, for the help.
Doing it. And I broke my head.
No.